Hi, we are the Industrial Automation Magazine. We are at the Taiwan Expo 2025 in Delhi. We're going to be speaking to a few companies under the Taiwan Smart Manufacturing booth. So here we go. So today we're going to start with Hiwin Technologies. It's a global leader in motion controls from linear guideways to ball screws, and is also a part of various industries from aerospace, medicine, and also precision textile. We are here today with Mr. Simon at the Taiwan Expo in Delhi, who's going to talk about Hiwin Technologies more in depth. Good morning, Mr. Simon.
Morning. Hello.
So, Hiwin Technology is often a benchmark for how in precision engineering. How do you see India's demand in precision technology? How do you see it growing?
Actually, like India's technology is gradually transforming and upgrading, like in the technology point of view, like the semiconductor, EVs, electronic machineries. So these kind of industries require high precision. So yes, we see a huge demand in the coming years for such high precision components.
So here we are with Mr. Steven, and we're going to deep dive into how the company helps and caters to the automation needs. There are various Indian industries like automotive, medicine, textile, etc. Where do you see your highest demand for your solutions, the solutions and logic art provides?
Okay, you can see the dress, we can see the Taiwanese A-team. Now, especially it's a one-stop solution and the synthetic fabric. I see now that in India, maybe is sports wears, such as our one of the customers is also a local brand with our techno sport. It's a local brand, also local, they have the local made sports wear. Now there's many similar brand, local brands who want the synthetic sports wear. So actually the sports wear until now top one still in Taiwan. So it's called an A-team. We can provide the customer want to build a new synthetic fabric. So we can provide the total solution there.
With us today is Horng Chii, the company renowned for its expertise in shoe and rubber machinery. How does the company help in automating the injection, intrusion, and modeling processes for shoes?
Okay, because now for the labor cost requirement, now a lot of the machine manufacturers start to the automation, especially like for the outsole and the midsole machine. We just try to focus on how to reduce the labors and how to reduce the energy spent. So now we normally use like a surface motor. Okay. And maybe the one machine just need one labor to operate.
So now we are at the Syntec Technology booth with Mr. Akhil. Syntec Technology is Taiwan's leader in CNC controls, industry PCs, and smart manufacturing solutions. Many India manufacturers are early in their Industry 4.0 journey. How do you think Syntec helps them?
So, with Industry 4.0 journey, with many starting manufacturers, we have a ready plug-and-play system available with us with respect to IoT solutions. So it helps them to implement it faster on the field and get the production data within a couple of months. So it helps them the overall productivity and data which can be fetched at ease of time.
Cost efficiency and global competitors are key goals. How does Syntec enable SMEs to achieve this?
So with respect to our CNC plus automation solutions what are available with us, we give them at the price where the productivity can be increased from 15 to 20%. So by increasing the productivity by 15 to 20%, you are uptiming the small scale industries at least by 90% overall uptime. So it gives them the competitive edge in the market to survive against other competitors. That's how we are supporting them.
Shen, and we are talking about how automation is part of various industries. We have here Mr. Tushar from Yes. How do your machines ensure precision and efficiency in manufacturing?
Yes. As you know that when the shoe industry really started, also in some countries still, whenever the machines are being operated, it is still manual. Most of the processes are being manual. So particularly in case of our machines, when two materials has to be laminated, they have to be aligned. So that align used to be manual. So now our machines can do it automated. Same time, it needs tension control because not always both the laminated materials are same. That's why we need tension control. So that's where our machine has automated that processes. Yeah.
Today we're at the Toyo Robotics booth and here we're with Mr. Haider, who's going to explain everything to us. How does Toyo Robotics play a role into the EV mobile manufacturing machine industry?
So as you're aware about the EV, electrical vehicle is play a vital role, as our Indian government itself told that by 2030 we want to install 30% of the EV vehicle in India.
Yes.
And for making the EV is a totally new technology for our country. As a Taiwanese company, and there is a very huge, with Taiwan government, Indian government, we have huge understanding. We want to support the EV project. For manufacturing the EV battery pack, what we need, we require the high precision automation. So our product is helping them to achieve the EV battery making process very easy, which is not available in our country. Yeah.
Brought to you by Industrial Automation Magazine. See you at the next Taiwan Expo. Thank you all.